yeah, bud. Bit of glow pluggage. And start. Good. The question is, does it fit? Let's hope so. Oh yeah. I think that's good. Handbrake. Low. Yeah. I think that's good. Oh yeah, that's grand. We'll go with that. Oh, I don't know if I'm going to be able to lift this now. Oh, yep, that's a one. Whew. Now, I suppose, best find some straps. Because I know she'll not blow off. But, you know, keep the odd law happy, I suppose. Excellent. Well, good evening. You join me on a fantastic Weardale evening. We, as you can see, we've just had the 576 loaded up onto the trailer, and we're heading down to Wolsingham Show tonight. Unload tonight, and my friends took his tractor down by road because his is considerably faster than mine. So mine's a trailer queen for the weekend. But yeah, get a good night's sleep tonight and have a good look around the show tomorrow. See whatever tractors are going to be there. I believe there's a little bit of tractor pulling as well, which is it's not competitive, but it's a bit of fun, and we'll see what else we can find there. But should be a good show, and hope you enjoy the video, and let's have some fun. Well, this is me and my pal's tractor. You know a little bit about the 576 already, but this is a little bit special. So he built this for the Queen's Jubilee 70th anniversary, and I don't know if you noticed, we've got the Ferguson system, and if we look at the gear levers, we've got Massey gear levers. So we've got a Ford 4000 front end, and then a Massey gearbox and rear end. He built this himself in 2022, and it's a really nice restoration. Sorry about the generator noise, but we're next to the back of Hitachi here. So yeah, interesting tractor, and he loves to drive it on road runs because it does about 34 miles an hour. So I really like these. One day I shall have the 956 in my collection, and as you've probably already guessed, you know why? Because it's got 6 cylinders, but it's actually got a Cummins 6BT in it, I do believe. correct me if I'm wrong, I'm sure it is. Rotary injection pump, not a P pump, but yeah, I really like these things. Probably still a good usable thing as well. Now, this is pretty interesting. A Ford 5000 tractor, but it's being converted into drainage working. And drive system's pretty interesting as well. Because normally on a dozer you'd have your hydraulic motor at the back or your transmission into the back sprocket, but this has got out of where the tractor hub would be. And normally on a dozer you'd have steering clutches and brakes for each side, but on this you've got a conventional tractor transmission but no steering column, and the only way you can steer it is with the independent brakes. Yeah, pretty neat. Also, a little fun fact, this is a Wolsingham planing machine from one of my customers here in the northeast, and this is part of my day job. Sorry about the noise generator, it's a bit of a theme going on today. But yeah, 100 Fi, so it's a metre wide planing drum, and this is what is used to rip up your roads before they put new tarmac over the top. And yeah, I work with this company, I work with Wolsingham, who makes the machine. That's part of my day job. So, a little bit of fun, useless information for you. So this is pretty interesting. In my previous life I was actually a dozer operator, and this is from what used to be Doosan but now Devlon. And it's quite a cute little thing, isn't it? I think they're competing with your smaller Liebherr Komatsus and Cats obviously, but I quite like it. It has only got a little 4-cylinder engine, and you know on this channel how we like a 6, but really steep bonnet angle, which I think should make for quite good visibility. Oh yeah, loads of visibility. See the top of the blade when it's even on the ground. Quite a comfortable cab. Nice levers. Yeah, it's basic, but you know what? I like it. Good visibility. When you're on a dozer, you always want to be looking at the blade down here. So yeah, I like that. It's also nice to see a bit of heavy equipment at a quite small agricultural show. So fair play for Lloyd's bringing it down. They're our kind of local tractor dealership as well. Yeah, and if you like orange, I think it's the only machine you can have. Devlon. Big cooling package on the back. Yeah, I hope we get a bit of traction of this and give the competition a bit of run for the money. Well, China's coming, and you know, some of the quality of some of this stuff actually is looking pretty good. And I bet it's a lot cheaper than the old Japanese alternative. Segway. I think they were bought in China by a Chinese company in about 2015.
That's a complete dog. He's not actually running any trials yet. He's entered into his first couple in a few weeks. So.
They don't build them like we used to. Good old ERF. Probably have a Eaton twin splitter gearbox, non-synchro. I also drove wagons for a little bit in my early life and kind of wish I'd had the chance to operate these. Everyone's gone to automatic wagons and stuff these days, and modern engines that don't sound good, but that old thing will. Here's something a little different. Probably tell with a hole in the bonnet, but it's not quite original. And it looks a little bit longer as well, and that's because it's got a Perkins 6-cylinder in it. So originality fans will be upset, but I'm sure it sounds pretty good. Nice straight pipe on it as well. That'd be a cool tractor. Well, morning. Day 2 Wolsey Show, and it is judging day for, not those guys, but us for vintage tractors. So hopefully the judge recognises a bit of Japanese excellence, but even if he doesn't, it's been fun. Also, this is super cool. I like that. Would have loved that as a kid. Almost feels like there's a few more tractors here as well. I kind of like this time of the morning as well. Quiet, no people. Because mainly, apart from doing a little bit of video on yesterday, all I did was talk to people, which is mint. But bloody hell, my brain was tired yesterday. So let's have a nice day today. I think the telehandler has got it.
But yes. I do think Stephen is getting encouragement. He's got a long way around. You can take yourself for it. Yourself for it goes fair. The balance here, yourself for beer, yourself for records of both things. But yourself for the goal, so you can take yourself for it. And he's going to do it again. Yourself for the goals. It's silver class. There's a short class on each game of what is going on. Stephen's doing his best, he's getting us to go as quick as he can, but David Ware is developing his last bale and been played the World Rowing Championship. It would have been lovely to have a tractor with it, especially one that the car was sold, but it looks like we're going to have to take seconds. Well, maybe. And we're over here, David Ware World Rowing Championship 2025. David's first time in the final. Therefore, Stephen in second place. I'm just going to get some of the lads here in the office, and they're going to get the meetings.
With a county conversion, is it, man? Eh?
I would imagine so. Go and have a word with the company, tell you. That's all I do. You go and talk to them, Martin.
Is it? Oh.
folks, that's it. What a good show it was, to be honest. It was really busy both days. I actually came away with a 3rd place rosette in unrestored for the old 576. So I'm really happy with that, to be honest. But as you notice, I'm still in the showground. Everything's getting tucked away, and I think it's time to go have a little bit more socialising in the beer tent. So I really hope you've enjoyed the video. There's going to be loads more content like this coming up. Shows, tractors, quads, you name it. Maybe even a will it start here and there. So I'm not going to do the whole YouTuber thing, but I feel like I have to. So like and subscribe down below if you want to see more content, and catch you on the next one.